Hi guys, in this video I'll show you how to enable installation from unknown sources in your Samsung Smart TV. So I'll show you the step-by-step guide on how you can do it. So follow this process and you will be able to do it. So the first thing is to activate this setting. Select settings from the bottom right corner on your TV. Like you will be able to see an option called settings on your TV. And once you see the option called setting, after that go to security into the settings. So just open settings, go to the security, and inside the security you will be seeing an option called personal. And once you go into the personal setting, you will see an interface like activate allow installation from unknown sources. So by default it will be turned off, so you need to make sure that you have turned it on, like install allow installation from unknown sources. So first thing, go to settings, then go to security, go to personal, and inside the personal you will be able to see this option called allow installation from unknown sources. That will be turned off, so you need to make sure that that is turned on. And once you have turned on, you can now obtain the third party application from your choice prepared to be installed on your TV once you have allowed installation from unknown sources. So that is a simple and easy process of how you can turn on unknown sources in your Samsung Smart TV.